it's going to come and take our jobs. No, it's not going to take your jobs. It's going to make you produce a lot more better stuff. Now, I don't know anyone in the world that can produce a systems diagram based on the content, add it to a really attractive, really engaging course, put video on it, put voiceover, add interactive knowledge checks, drag and drop, whatever you want. I don't think they can do that in 10 minutes. And if you don't like it, it's got an editing system and you can edit it and you can change it. But let's stop pretending that, we need everything to be crafted. Let's craft something. So after 10 minutes, you're this way there. And then you spent all your time making it brilliant and engaging, add video to it, upload your own images, use AI to create new background images, add animations, have birds flying through the sky, make it. And there's a serious point to all this sort of stuff, because if you make it engaging and you make it look nice, people aren't going to ghost it. People aren't going to go next. They're going to actually really enjoy it. And, we've had courses that people have really enjoyed because people have taken the time to ice the cake. We bake the cake in 10 minutes, then you ice it. And instead of spending all your time making something average, spend all your time making something brilliant. And then you'll get a lot more engagement. That's where we've got to with generic learning. We don't need it anymore. We need to basically create stuff for individual people. So if you're creating a course like in a company like Unilever, for instance, you want to create a different course for factory workers, you want a different course for marketing department, you want a different course, all on the same subject. And you can do that and you can generate that and it will have your branding on it and it will look brilliant. And it'll be far better than stuff you're buying, of course, off the
And
shelf.
the learning results will be better, I guess, as well.
Far better. Far better. From stuff that I've seen on the catalogs, far better.
That's interesting take, because most of the voices I hear around is that AI content generations, it is not that good. It's not as good as people. It's not that good as our best teacher. The best teachers will do better job. From what you're saying, we are just opposing the change. And we are afraid to become obsolete. So
yeah, I think they're using the wrong tools to start with. I don't think there is a substitute for a face-to-face teacher. But unfortunately, in class sizes of 30 people, you don't have face-to-face teachers, or trainers, and I think we should stop pretending that this stuff is no good in order to just close it. I mean, we basically put our stuff on a site when we first launched it, and some of the vitriol I got from people was just, just odd, really odd. But it's this thing of like, it's going to come and take our jobs. No, it's not going to take your jobs. It's going to make you produce a lot more better stuff. So start at the 80% level and then do that extra 20%. And you do it really well. You can spend the same time you did making the whole thing if you wanted to on that 20%, but produce video content, learn video skills, produce animation, make it really good, add pathways, add buttons, do all that stuff, make it really, really good, really engaging, really intuitive.